Danger is often unpredictable. It may appear from where you don't expect it at all, or it may not appear at all where it would be logical for it to be. Near-death experience captured on camera. Let's go.
You will never get into such a situation because I wish you good luck.
The footage of the pickup truck spinning from the vortex is really surprising, but much more impressive is that when he got on the wheels, he jerked on, which means there was a driver inside. It's even creepy to imagine what he experienced in the epicenter of a tornado. Fortune smiled twice at this driver. He managed not only to stay alive and not fly away with the plane, but also to shoot a video that later went viral. There is a feeling that the sea has decided to help return the boats that have settled on the shore without doing anything. The hurricane can overtake you not only on land. It is incredibly dangerous if the wind and raging waves catch you in the middle of the sea, where there are no safe shelters. A huge wave has just destroyed this area, and who would have thought that at the moment when everything calmed down, the second wave would cover this coast once again. The workers needed to move something very large and heavy. To do this, they used a crane, but unfortunately they did not calculate something, and the whole structure just fell absurdly. The mountains beckon us with their beauty. However, such collapses are found on the roads too often, and just at the moment when someone is driving on them. Spiders and sharks are not the only danger that awaits you in Australia, because a hurricane can start there, which can cause damage to many buildings. That's how a strong earthquake feels inside the building. Every year, various floods cause multi-million-dollar damage. That's how cars are being destroyed en masse, and it's only on one street. Imagine how a person feels who is in a car at such a moment. Bloggers cyclists appreciated all the charms of the strongest sandstorm on themselves. And to be honest, it's hard to imagine how you can breathe in such conditions. Despite the fact that water is one of the main sources of life for a person, it can make any place incredibly dangerous in a few seconds, such as this coast. Hail is one of the most dangerous natural phenomena. Ice balls flying at high speed can cause serious damage to both people in their homes and cars. Sometimes a hurricane can not only demolish everything in its path, but also damage the power line, creating an additional threat. This loaded truck started off and drove without a driver. Maybe they just forgot to put it on the handbrake. The guy tried to jump into the cab on the move and stop it, but it was not easy to do. This car was a few steps away from a lightning strike. The thunderer clearly missed, so now the driver is unlikely to be able to forget this rainy trip. In China, a flood destroyed a house. Fortunately, no one was inside, but such damage is incredibly difficult to repair. The sad sight of a falling tree demolishing someone's house like a bulldozer. Here nature decided that just a tornado is not enough and therefore flavored it with powerful lightning. This huge construction structure fell directly into the water, provoking large-scale splashes. Because of its length it reached the shore, so a whole cloud of sand rose. In just a few seconds, a large section of road can disappear under a rockfall. It's just a miracle that no one passed there at this time, which does not always happen. We all love a vacation at sea among beautiful foamy waves, but do not forget that these waves can sometimes be incredibly dangerous. The speed of lightning is 100,000 kilometers per second. And on this tree you can see the consequences of such a blow.
Got that on video!
And the temperature of lightning is 6 times higher than the surface of the sun. Did you know about such a profession as a tornado hunter? These people get close to the most dangerous and powerful tornadoes and try to capture them as beautifully as possible. One of their incredible works is in front of your eyes. Here's another flood that turned several expensive cars into ordinary canoes. The residents of this city will have to fix the consequences of this hurricane for a long time. Today Zeus decided to visit this beach. What is really merciless is the lava flows, such as those that hit this Spanish town, destroying everything in their path. Thank you so much for watching. Leave your like and write in the comments which video you like the most. See you soon. Peace.